Hi everyone, welcome to week 9 and welcome back from the spring break. I hope you had a great time in your spring break. So this week we're going to start our third project webinar. So I'm going to show you the page of week 9. So this week we have a total 5 tasks. The first one is to watch this video, and the second one is to learn about webinar. Webinar is a kind of online meeting conferencing. So in these 2 journal articles, you will learn about basic ideas about webinar and some tips to make an effective webinar. And in the task 3, you will need to do a reflection in the Slack effective webinar channel. And in this reflection, please list at least 3 tips that you think are most important for an effective webinar and explain why. And please also give at least 2 peer feedbacks. Because we are going to finish a webinar by all of you, so it's important to know which tool can be used for it. There are not webinar tools, but most of them are not free. I think you will prefer free things, so Google Hangout is the best choice for us to finish the webinar. And this is a tutorial video about Google Hangout. Please watch it carefully. And in the task 5, you will need to sign your name and email address in the table. Because this project is about webinar, so of course this is a group-based project. You will need to finish all of the tasks by group, and every group will have a moderator to host the webinar. So this week, what you need to do is to read this Google Doc. So this one. Read this Google Doc to know about what you will need to do in this project and sign your name and email address in this table. So here. And next week, every group needs to choose one moderator and your group's specific topic, and the moderator needs to write a plan and submit it. So that's all for this week. Hope you guys will enjoy the week. Enjoy this week. Thank you so much. See you next Tuesday.